Oh. Oh, hi guys, we're back with another video. Oh, I forgot to turn it off. Sorry. Hi guys, we're back with another video. And today, we're gonna do part 3 of the, Dreamland Tycoon. If you guys are wondering why I'm so bright, I have both of my lights on. So, look, let's see. Oh, he said hi guys, let me go in front. Hi guys, look. Okay. If you guys wanna, today was Amar's birthday, so if you guys wanna say happy birthday, you can like and subscribe. That will mean one happy birthday to him. And why is Elijah and hold on, I'm gonna say me and Eli 77 LZ both have sorry. If you're gonna subscribe like him, shout out to him. Okay, I don't know. I give up. Okay, I'm just gonna see something. I'm gonna stand next to him until look, hold on, I'm gonna move my face cam. Oh, he said cool. Okay. I'm gonna follow him. Oh my god, everything's see-through to me. Okay, hold on, I'm coming to him real quick. If remember that vid that I said it wrong, like whoever comments something positive, like good advice in the comments down below, you guys get a free shout out. Free shout out. I don't care what vid, but it has to be every week. I don't care who says, I don't care who it is, but they get a free shout out. Come, like, and subscribe to his channel. What? Oh, I thought I had building rights. Like, what the heck? Okay. Oh yeah, we're riding the train. Oh. Okay. Leave a like if you like the trains. Okay. What? There's a duck on top of his ride? I want to have a duck. Hold on, I'm gonna see what. Here, I'm gonna move my camera, but I'm not gonna move it towards the chat, because I want you guys to see chat. I'll just move it down here. No, I think you guys are used to seeing it right there. Right here, so sorry. I have to put it right there. Oh, I left Elijah. I'm gonna tell him. Do you... Oh, okay. Okay, let me get off and I'm gonna tell him hi. Oh, I feel like, imagine your friend gets stuck on a ride. He didn't get on the ride and the ride starts. And he has to climb up the rails, and he just falls down and breaks all his bones. I'm gonna break his leg bone. So, and your friend says off, and you just fall too. Oh my god. Can I let the thing hit me? Oh. Okay. Remember, so I did part 1, Elijah did part 2, I'm doing part 3 right now. On Elijah's channel is gonna be part 4. Do you guys like the both lights in Ela? Hold on. Oh my god, right there. Oh my god. You guys probably like me. Oh my god, the ride is here. I'm stuck. What? I'm gonna ask him, like last episode, remember? No. Was it? Hold on, I have to check. Was it on his channel that I said it, or was it on my channel? No, I think it was no, it's his channel. It was his channel. I asked him, I believe I asked, it might not be on my channel or his channel. It might have been off camera, but I'm not sure. I believe it was either episode 1 or episode 2. Can you, no, episode 2, I asked him if he can build me another roller coaster, but he built me that vintage cars on his channel. Oh, I didn't even watch the full of it. Oh, well, can you Elijah, if you're watching, like, why you keep asking to build my own roller coaster, build your own roller coaster? Elijah, you might be asking that, but I don't know. But because I was gonna say I like roller coasters, but all you guys do, except you, right? Does he mean yes as right, or did he say right as like before I talked? Oh my god. Oh, guess who's in? Is that Jackson's right there? I'm gonna go check real quick. I believe it was like no, on the first episode, I thought like I kept talking and like I thought he heard me through. I thought like he's a hacker, and oh, cool! I'm making a video. Sorry about that, guys. I thought I locked the door, but who cares? Okay. What the heck? What the? You guys came out of nowhere. Jackson just came out of nowhere. Oh, we'll go to Mize now. If you guys came here and came to a theme park that looked like mine, would you come in here? Oh my god, I'm saying me. Okay, I got one back. Who's making the most money? I am. I lay in this cash. Did he win to my tycoon? I'm gonna give him building rights real quick. Before he says like, no, I'm gonna give him building rights right now. Select a builder. Why can't the builder just be like, I'm gonna do the builder. I was gonna put on, what do you call it? Okay. But I just did. There's you. If you guys haven't been seeing what I've been doing, I changed the whole thing. Like, if you guys know, I believe I didn't have the fireball after camera. So if you guys didn't know, I got. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can buy this land real quick. They can get more room. I'm gonna tell them. Okay. Oh darn it, it's 20k. Too much. I'm gonna ask them. I'm gonna tell them. I'm gonna put I am going to buy more land. I'm going to buy more land. What the? I'm just gonna buy it that he can get more room to build a roller coaster. So right there, I think it's this one, right? This one? Yeah, I got it. Dang, that cost me 4,000 Robux. Where do you go? Oh, I see him. Where is he going? Okay. Yeah. Where's he? Where's he bringing me? Is this Jackson's roller coaster? Ah. Uh-huh. What? Where did he go? What the heck? That's weird. Please don't get mad at me, Jackson. It's Jackson's theme park. Jackson's LOL theme park. I thought they left me. It'll be like, no. Oh yeah, oh my god, I have a bit. Oh yeah, so I'm just gonna end the video at 15 minutes. Additional? What? Achievement additional? You have building permissions. Yeah. Part 4 on Elijah's channel. I think if you guys were wondering, like, where's the Java edition, Nilo or Danilo? Where's the Java edition series? But I'm gonna do it after. This is gonna be a series until series 10, so I'm gonna do it after we hit series 10, after the last episode. See. What is he doing? I'm asking. What? Oh my god. I'm gonna try to end this video exactly at 14. Sorry. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm asking, what are you doing? I should have put a question mark. Question mark. That's a perfect video idea, but oh yeah. By the way, guys, I was gonna do like a crazy challenge at the, what do you call it? Like, I was gonna at the. Why is Clement making more money than? I'm gonna tell Clement. Clement. How do you spell? Isn't it? Oh yeah, Clement. Why is he blurring it out? Clement. 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 What the heck? Clement. Why are you richer? No. I'm about to look at, what do you call it, theme park real quick. And put, we started, I'm in a video. Oh, is he going to look? Oh, look. Dreamland. This is great. You pee on yourself when you go down a roller coaster. I might start doing videos on my phone. Like, what the heck? Where is he going?